Does Xiaomi TV Box have Google Play Store? Xiaomi TV Box is a popular streaming device that runs on Android TV, offering access to a variety of apps and features. Many users wonder whether it includes the Google Play Store for downloading apps. 1. Xiaomi TV Box comes with Google Play Store pre-installed. Yes, Xiaomi TV Box comes with the Google Play Store built in, as it runs on the Android TV operating system. This allows users to download and install apps directly from Google's official App Store. 2. Accessing the Google Play Store on Xiaomi TV Box. To open the Google Play Store on a Xiaomi TV Box. Step 1. Turn on the Xiaomi TV Box and connect it to the internet. Step 2. Navigate to the Apps section from the home screen. Step 3. Select Google Play Store and browse or search for apps. Step 4. Click on an app and select Install to download it. 3. Downloading apps from Google Play Store. The Google Play Store on Xiaomi TV Box allows users to download a wide range of apps, including streaming apps, Netflix, YouTube, Amazon Prime Video, Disney+, music apps, Spotify, YouTube Music, games, Android TV compatible games, utility apps, file managers, VPNs, browsers. 4. Updating and fixing Google Play Store issues. If the Google Play Store is not working or missing, try the following solutions. Restart the Xiaomi TV Box and check the internet connection. Update the software by going to Settings, then System Update. Clear cache and data from the Google Play Store in Settings, then going to Apps. Factory reset the TV Box if the issue persists. 5. Installing apps without Google Play Store. If an app is unavailable on the Google Play Store, users can sideload APK files using a USB drive with an APK installer. Third-party app stores like Aptoide TV. Downloader app to install APKs from the web. The Xiaomi TV Box includes the Google Play Store by default, making it easy to install apps. If the Play Store is missing or not working, updating or resetting the device can help resolve the issue.